Go to Spain, Italy, or Greece. We do not want tourists. At least I would be happier if you went somewhere else.
I've been to Spain, Portugal, and Greece, and I traveled extensively. The countries are stunningly beautiful. The people in Croatia are still way more welcoming and unspoiled by tourist industry. Spain and Portugal are now full of expats who are buying houses. It's a big trend for Americans right now. The whole Portugal is bought out by the Brits. If you tell us where you live, we will not come to your village, so we don't bother you with our presence.
Say exactly
so
where you live, and we'll be sure to avoid that place.
Yeah, but we're actually quite nice people. We don't pretend to be nice in the video. We're actually nice.
Yeah,
we're very well.
You're nicer than I am. Sometimes I'm.
We are
nice.
very well accepted in the village, and people really like us genuinely. They laugh at my jokes.
So. Yeah, they laugh at your
jokes.
I laugh at my jokes. I don't need it.
You always laugh at your jokes.
I like Croatia, and I like traveling in Croatia because of the Croatian people, all the different kinds of Croatian people in all the different regions. I like hearing their stories. I like sitting and learning about their culture, their songs, their history, their worldview, their food, drinking their special rakias that
and
they
you never
make,
get tired of it. He can
I
actually do it for hours.
I've been doing it for 20 years.
I would get bored after some time, but Matthew has such a genuine, strong interest for it.
Yeah.
He can do it all night long. He will forget that he has a wife and kids, you know. Yeah. That's how bad it is. So I have to call him and say, hello, doji kuchi.
But I personally don't care much about beaches. I mean, I like seeing these old Renaissance towns and fishing villages, but I care more about the people and culture. Natalia likes beaches.
She likes beaches. I mean, I also like people, but I like beaches. I like to lie down and do nothing and feel warm after 6 months of freezing. Yeah, and beaches are good with kids, you know. I like everything that involves kids. Leaving mama 5 minutes of peace here and there. True. Beach is a good thing, so yes.